Hi, my name is Marich Arienda from the Philippines, and I'd just like to say thank you IMCS Pax Romana for the continued learning and action program workshop on poverty and marginalization, which was actually the first goal in the Sustainable Development Goals of the United Nations. Learning this poverty and marginalization issue is an eye-opener to me. I've never been able to understand this issue until I got here in the IMCS workshop. Poverty is not just about money, because there are a lot of factors, and we have this called dimensions and various approaches in order to determine whether an individual or a family is poor or not. Poverty and marginalization is a huge topic that should be addressed and discussed, and this IMCS workshop really helps in understanding and on how we can help in the simplest way we can. Again, thank you IMCS Pax Romana for the opportunity. Congratulations and see you around. Bye!